This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tabled the state budget for the year 2020-2021 with a slew of welfare measures yesterday. The budget proposed to provide free and dedicated bus services for women and senior citizens in Guwahati under Brahman Sarathi scheme. An amount of 2,800 crore rupees has been earmarked for Uru Nodoi scheme, under which annually 10,000 rupees will be given to 27 lakh poor households. Mrs. Sarma said that 25 lakh rupees will be given per school for 200 elementary schools on pilot basis for infrastructure development. The Assam government will also provide free sanitary napkins for girls in 6 to 12 standards in government and government-aided schools. The budget announced to start 5 new polytechnic institutes, 7 new government colleges and 2 medical colleges, among others. An amount of 500 rupees and as an additional honorarium will be given to midday meal workers in Assam. Assamese language is to be made compulsory subject in all English and other medium schools up to the 10th standard, except in Barak Valley, Bodo inhabited areas and the 2 hill districts. The District Magistrate East Khasi Hills District, Shillong, has relaxed curfew in Iewduh, Paltan Bazar, Stanji, Motphran and the whole of Cantonment area from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. Curfew in area of Police Bazar, bounded by Quinton Road to Unsasun Bridge and from Khandailad to GS Road to Butcher Road Junction has been relaxed from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Curfew in areas under Sora Police Station has been relaxed from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. today. In Ichamati, curfew has been relaxed from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. In all areas under Shala Police Station, Tilla Police Outpost and Bolaganj Police Checkpost, curfew has been relaxed from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday said isolation wards would be set up in 13 hospitals across the state as a precautionary measure against coronavirus. Health Minister A.L. Hegg said that not a single case of COVID-19 has been confirmed in Meghalaya till date. 61 students who returned from China were kept under observation for 28 days in the state as a precautionary measure. The Chief Minister said that trade fairs and big events attracting people in large numbers would not be held. The much-awaited Meghalayan Age Festival, scheduled to be held from today till the 15th of this month in Thadlasken, West Chapchar Hills District of Meghalaya, stands cancelled in the wake of the COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday said the state government has decided to cancel the festival as per the public advisory released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Chief Minister said that screening of passengers at Umroi Airport is already on as part of precautionary measures. International Women's Day was observed in the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, yesterday. Women legislator Ampareen Lingdo observed that political empowerment is crucial to uplift women in the society. Nagaland University Kohima campus also observed International Women's Day. Pro-Vice-Chancellor Nagaland University M. Alaminla Au called upon everyone to collectively affirm in building a better world where all generations will live harmoniously, free of violence and discrimination, and where all will have equal rights and opportunity regardless of gender. The Assam government has declared the 10th of this month as a local holiday in Kamrup Metropolitan District on account of Dol Jatra and Holi. All state government offices, educational institutions and financial institutions will remain closed, a statement said. Kamrup Metro is comprised of Guwahati and its neighbouring areas. The biggest and the most joyful festival of the Mizo's Chapchar Kut was celebrated across Mizoram yesterday. Chapchar Kut is also regarded as the most popular spring festival of the people of Mizoram. The gaiety and favour of Chapchar Kut shines through with plenty of dancing and music to keep everyone in good spirits. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.